adverb clause ها یکی از مهمترین و اساسی ترین بحث های گرامری ادبیات انگلیسی است. So I have seen a lot of students who had problem with clauses. اما نگران نباشید. در بحث ها و در سلسله بحث هایی که ما داریم تلاش بر این هست که تمام مباحث کلاز ها را به شکل اساسی و درستش برای دوستا آموزش بدیم. Within the previous sessions, we've already defined clause, adjective clause, adverb clause, and now is the time to study something about adverb clause of manner, adverb clause of reason, adverb clause of result, and we may focus on adverb clause of condition. The rest of the adverb clauses will be taught and concentrated within the next session as well. با adverb clause های manner شروع میکنیم. Adverb clause of manner could be group of words functioning like an adverb of manner. Simply, the difference is this. Adverb clause of manner could be group of words containing a subject and verb, which is used to modify how the verb happens, while adverb of manner was only one word that is used to modify how the verb completed, how the verb occurs, and how a verb will happen. That is going to be the difference. Adverb clause of manner مجموعی از کلمات است. در صورتی که قید حالت یک کلمه است. To better help you what I mean, I'd like to provide you an example. First, she cries as if she is a child. She cries as if she is a child. In this sentence, you can say as if she is a child. This group of words are used to modify the verb, the cry. How does she cry? She cries as if she is a child. If I want to tell you with the simple words, I would say, she cries like a baby. So, like a baby, it is used to modify the way of crying. That is called an adverb clause of manner. Now, let me make you an example with adverb of manner. She speaks slowly. The word slowly is an adverb of manner which is used to modify the verb. How does she speak? Right? All right. Adverb clause of manner are introduced by many words like the word as if, the word like, the word such as. These are the words and markers that we would typically use them in order to introduce adverb clause of manner. I'm waiting you impatiently to write many variety of sentences in the comments below. Please write down your own examples. Please assure me that you have gotten something and you have understood. Right? The next type of adverb clause is adverb clause of reason. Adverb clause of reason could be a group of words, again containing the subject and a verb, which is used to modify and which is used to provide a reason why the main verb occurs, why the main verb happens. For example, you go to school. So what is the reason? If you're going to add a group of words to tell us the reason of going to school, that group of words is called adverb clause of reason. Or you invite your friends. Why? If you want to add a group of words containing subject and verb to tell the reason of invitation, that is called adverb clause of reason. Adverb clause of reason are going to be introduced by many markers, including the word because, the word since, and many other prepositional words, including due to, because of, on account of. So these are the markers that provide a reason through the sentences. So I'm gonna provide you an example. She learns English. She learns English at TOEFL Club because she wants to take the TOEFL test. Another example, I have called her since I needed to ask a question. من برای وی زنگ زدم به خاطر که میخواستم سوال بپرسم. So that is really important, that you have to understand that these sentences, the clauses are going to be demonstrated by many compound prepositions as well. The word because of, the word due to, the word on account of. For example, she learns English because of TOEFL test. She comes here because of English. Or she bought a computer due to her educational program. These are the pure examples of reason clause that are going to be demonstrated by subordinate conjunctions and compound prepositions. باز هم دوستای عزیز توصیه میکنم لطف کنن جمله های خودتان را در بخش کامنت بنویسید. ببینم آیا واقعاً میتونین جمله های خوب و جمله های قشنگ با adverb clause of reason بسازین یا نه. Another type of adverb clause is adverb clause of result. Adverb clause of result is very simple. You do an action, you did an action, or you will do an action. So what is the result? What will happen next? You know, that's called an adverb clause of what? Result. Imagine you go to school. What is the result for? Imagine you bought a computer. What is the result for? So, this is adverb clause of result. Adverb clause of results are going to be introduced by many other subordinate conjunctions. The word so that, such that, or that. These are the words that we would typically use in order to introduce an adverb clause of result. به طور مثال, we say Yasin went to America 2 years ago. یاسین 2 سال پیش به آمریکا رفت. خب نتیجه رفتن وی به آمریکا چی است؟ We can say, so he studies in American college or American university. ببینین نتیجه آمریکا رفتن یاسین شامل شدن در دانشگاه آمریکایی است. That's going to be the result for. چی رقم میگیم؟ یاسین went to America 2 years ago, so he is a student of American college. Oh, another example. I made a lot of money last year. I made a lot of money last year. What is the result? So that I bought a new house. So that I bought a new house. That's going to be the way that we would typically use adverb clause of result. Another type of adverb clause is called adverb clause of condition. Adverb clause of condition provides us a bed, a condition that another action occurs based or in a condition of one another. That is called conditional clause. So, adverb clause of condition can be introduced by many other conjunctions and subordinate conjunctions. The word like if, whether, unless, in case, whether or not, and many other words. We would typically introduce adverb clause of condition by such words. For example, if you give me money, I will buy a car. So, I won't buy a car unless you give me money. I will buy a car means I don't want to buy a car if I don't have money, or means I don't have money now. But if you lend me money or if you give me money, then I will buy a car. So the bet and the condition is giving the money, and that is called adverb clause of condition. ببینید دوستای عزیز، کاندیشن و شبه جمله شرطی به این شکل است که شما میگین، من میگم که اگر شما برای من پول بدین من ماشین خواهیم خرید. خریدن ماشین من یا خریدن ماشین وابسته به پول دادن است. That's called adverb clause of condition. Through the conditional sentences, you do need two clauses to be combined in order to make a conditional sentence. Adverb clause of condition, adverb clause of result. شما برای ساختن جملات شرطی به دو کلاز نیاز دارید. کلاز شرطی و کلاز نتیجه. اگر شما پول بدید من خارج خواهم رفت. اگر او درسایش را کوشش کنه و یک دکتر خواهد شد. به همین ترتیب شما دو تا کلاز رو با هم یک جای میکنین و یک جمله شرطی شکل میگیره. It was all about many clauses in English, including adverb clause of matter, adverb clause of reason, adverb clause of result, and adverb clause of condition. اگر فکر میکنین برنامه‌های ما به شما کمک میکنه دوستای عزیز، یک ذره روند انگلیسی شما بهتر شود و نکات نو یاد بگیرین، فراموشتان نشه. برای حمایت ما شما میتونین چینل ما را با دوستایتان به اشتراک بگذارین. چینل ما را لایک کنین، سابسکرایب کنین و کلیپ زنگوله را فشار بدین. این کدام هزینه خو ندارد.